Hello all, let me share with you a tip today about increasing your productivity. It's basically something that I found that is working good for myself and I would like to share it with you. It's especially, I think, a good tip now that many of us are working from home and there are interruptions. And basically, this allows me to focus more when I use my computer, specifically for this. So the whole net and the whole books, and there are a lot of tips about increasing your productivity. There are a lot of tools, there are a lot of sayings. The internet is just stormy about how to increase your productivity. So this collides with the actual life, because increasing your productivity doesn't make your life better, as we said in the previous chapters, because once you increase your productivity, then this becomes the new baseline. Okay? Once we all have, it's true, so for example, today we have much better capabilities. We have the smartphone, we have a robotic vacuum cleaner, and yet people are much more busier today than in the past. So let's forget for a minute about life and whether we truly want to increase our productivity or increase something else. So we're forgetting about life and we focus on the increasing productivity. So the tip is this: offload all your communication into another device, which would leave your computer and your laptop only with work. For example, if you have Slack, emails, messaging, readings that you need to do on documents, and any kind of something that hangs on your brain that you need to do, but is not the actual work. For example, specifically for programmers, if your work is to code, create documentation, testings, monitor production, etc., then this should be the things that you're doing on your computer. If you have some things that pop up and can shift your focus when you don't want to, then you offload them, everything you offload, and you do this only from another device. Let's say the mobile device. And now, what would happen is that when you're working on the computer, you won't have that instinct to check your mail. Actually, mails would not pop up on your computer. Slack messages would not pop up on your computers. Okay? And if someone shares with you a document, it would not pop up. So you focus on your work on the laptop, and we support you for this. We don't only tell you when you focus on your work, then just you must focus on your work. We support you on this because we offload all the things which are not critical to the tasks that you are trying to achieve right now to your mobile phone. Okay, so you install Slack on your mobile phone, you install on the messaging apps, you install, if you can, the emails on your mobile app, and all the other stuff to your mobile app, and then at some point, you need to check your mail, right? Maybe even once every half an hour, you need to check your mail, if that's the case. So this means that every half an hour, when you finished focusing on your work, you need to move to another place, let's say on your couch or whatever. So you move to your couch where your phone is. Your phone is not near you, your phone is in the couch, and you sit there for 5 minutes, check all the emails, check that everything is okay, answer all the Slack messages, answer everything. And then, when you finished, let's say you time box it to 5 minutes, and then you go back to computer, and lo and behold, you don't have there any interruptions. It's only IntelliJ or Visual Studio Code, your databases, your SQLs, your Java, your JavaScript, and you are now able to focus. So as opposed to someone who tell you, you need to focus, you need to give 1 hour for focusing. I'm giving you a tool to support this. The tool is that you offload all the interruptions into the mobile phone. And when you offload all these interruptions into a mobile phone, the magic is that when you get back to your laptop, there are no interruptions because we moved them from the laptop that you're working on. We moved them to the interruptions device. The interruptions device is the mobile phone. And we moved all the interruptions to there. And then when you shift your mind into an interruption mode, then you go to the couch and you start handling all the interruptions, answering all the emails that you need, answering all the Slack messages, going over all the documents that were shared with you. And I think this is working quite fine. So you basically eat the cake and leave it complete. You are able to check all the emails. You're able to check all the updates. And still, on the laptop, this is the holy place. This is a sacred place where we need to focus and do work. So we moved all the interruptions into the mobile phone. So this was the tip for today about how to increase productivity. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think and if you tried it, if it's working for you.